Hello, this is Darren Marno, and I want to tell you about my new special. This is a new semi-auto magic card miracles bundle, volumes 1, 2, and 3 for only $39.99. That's right, you buy two and you get one free. You're getting over 101 of these incredible card magic routines and sleights. You're going to get 97 instructional videos now. So here's some of the highlights. From volume 1, I'm going to teach you my new any card, any number, and this is a masterpiece. I also am going to teach my new informational glimpse, which can be used with that and with any mentalism effect at all. This is universal principles of magic. I'm also going to teach a two deck ACAN, two deck card, any number, an original effect, double stabbed in the pack, which is really incredible. I have my collector's finale transposition, which is another original. I'm also going to teach many awesome things. I have a new cut to any ace effect, which is inspired from Cut the Aces by Al Leach, and I also teach the Cut the Aces by Al Leach as well in here. I have my new linking cards. I have a new Tournament Restored card, which is absolutely phenomenal. Um, a new triumph I call the new double mental triumph, where you have two thought of cards and you do a triumph and you unmix the deck and you find the thought of cards. It's insane, guys. I have my new flying cards across, which is a masterpiece. It involves five different cards across effects into just absolutely stunning effect you can use in close up or parlor as well. New swindle slice, which is my variation of a Peter Kane effect, an effect you do with your business card. It's a mental card effect. Um, Many incredible things on here. That's just from volume 1. My missing piece torn restored card and my Las Vegas sleeper 3.5. That's just from volume 1. Some of the highlights from volume 2. Um, and these are easy to do card miracles. That's what they are. And I teach several easy card locations. I teach Divino. It's a Charles Jordan effect. I teach Easy for Ace production from Ed Marlowe. I teach Easy Thought of Card to Pocket, which is from a Milbourne Christopher effect. Many of my original self-working card miracles in here, guys. My Gambler versus Psychic versus Magicians, which is an incredible for Ace production. Um, Flighty Aces from Lou Brent. This you can see a video demonstration of this on here. Card to Pocket Surprise for Ed Marlowe with my new ideas on it, where I do a Back to Future thing on it. My version of Further Than That I call New Further Than That. It's a Stuart James effect, but what I've done is I've combined it with my incredible diabolical sleight I call the Stealth Switch, which is a multiple card switch, is absolutely invisible. I fooled many magicians with this, such as Jerry Andrus and Larry Jennings and many more. New Leaper, which is based on a Charles T. Jordan effect. I have a new variation on here. I teach a lot of incredible gambler routines, such as the Better Magician from Al Leach. I teach the Nervous card from S.H. Sharp. I have a tribute to my mentor's mentor, a tribute to Ed Marlowe, and an effect I call the New Traveling card, which is my variation. Is absolutely stunning, where the card just travels multiple times. The Perfect Prediction by Chester Morris, one of my favorite little prediction effects. Um, I also teach so many things on here, guys. I teach a new Voodoo card. Voodoo card is very strong, but I've taken it to the next level on here. Got to see what I've done with it. I teach a lot of incredible sleights, such as my Hummingbird false cut, which is a full deck false cut. It's my version of the butterfly cut. I teach my new under the table card stabs. I teach my new change of mind, which is a variation of an Alan Ackerman and John Cornelius effect, where I end with a royal flush. My new double brainwave effect with the I have two decks of cards and I make one vanish, and there's no sleeving, no nothing. You can do it with they can hold your wrists, no lapping. You can, I mean, absolutely incredible, guys. My new clean oil and water. This is one of the best oil and waters ever. It's absolutely incredible. You can see they're mixed and then instantly they're unmixed. I teach a lot of incredible card locations. Like I said, I have an effect I call the new Miracle Pulse Reading Card Prediction, which is a thought of card to wallet. This is from my professional, many of these pieces from my professional working repertoire. many for ace productions, my Da Vinci Code aces, my super card routine, which is 5 amazing card routines that flow into one smooth professional card act. Um, I'm going to teach you. That's some of the highlights from volume 2, and some of the highlights finally from volume 3. You're going to get 36 amazing card routines on volume 3 with 36 video tutorials, and I'm going to show you all kinds of incredible ace productions. A new piece I call Card and Rose, which is great for Valentine's Day. Um, and then I've got something I call the double production and prediction, which is my own original self-working card routine. I teach multiple ACANs. I've got an ACAN with a transposition. I've got a card to random number. I've got multiple impossible card locations. Very easy stuff. I've got easy open prediction. I've got incredible forces on here. The Hornswoggle force, depth thrust 1. I've got something I call new incomprehensible, which is a really incredible effect. I've got my new by touch alone, which is my variation of a Harlan Tarbell effect from the Tarbell course in Magic. I teach a version of the Colin Aces, which is from Dario Fitzke. I teach my 2 very own variations of my lie detector card routine. I teach some Frank Garcia stuff, anytime aces for Frank Garcia, and my new version of his fabulous 4 aces where I end with a royal flush. Um, I've got the triple prediction where I teach you 3 card forces just so you can learn. Just the card forces alone are worth it because you can take those and create them as building blocks to create your own routines. Incredible, guys. Then some of the more highlights is the Weagle Aces by Oscar Weagle, Personification by Oscar Weagle, the Impossible Card to Any Number, which happens in the spectator's hands, which is called The Magic Happens in the Spectator's Hands by Cliff Green. Oh, it's so incredible, guys. And then I have a new topsy-turvy deck prediction, which is inspired from a Bob Hummer effect, which you can use as one of your triumph phases. And then I've got my variation of a double prediction by Charles Jordan, my new design for laughter, which is based on a Royal Road to Card Magic effect designed for laughter, but I've taken this to the next level, guys. Um, Incredible mental card magic as well, lots of it. I've got the birthday trick from Jack Avis, which is incredible mental card magic effect. I've got another one, which is a mental card effect, self-working, which is called New Digit Discovery, which is my own variation of a Carl Fulves effect. And finally, New Time Travel Triumph, which is going to blow your audience away. So come on in, guys, and get this product and take your magic to the next level. This is from my professional working repertoire. Also, if you'd like to get on the Master Magic University newsletter, if you're not on it yet, click on the link, and I will get you on my newsletter where I will send you free magic video tutorials, and I will send you all kinds of amazing things. So please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you very much.